I've got 3 fragrances from the House of Mancera. Hi everyone, I'm Beve and welcome to Beve Scents. If you're new here, you're welcome. And if you're returning, hi, I see you. Now, the fragrances I'm going to be talking about today, these were hyped, or I read great reviews about them, and I thought, hey, I've got to try this. Mancera is a niche as opposed to designer perfumery. They specialize, as far as I understand it, strictly in perfumes. The perfumes come in these little pouches. This one's 60 ml. And the first one is Holidays. This one has a screw top. Very fresh on the opening. Soft and sweet and a little bit aquatic. It's very almost comforting scent. It's a very pleasant scent. This has top notes of bergamot and coconut. For the life of me, I don't find any coconut in there. And then it has a mid of ylang ylang and tiare flower, which I was really looking forward to, and these C notes. So I do get like that aquatic freshness that's in there, along with the citrus and the sweetness. Now, I tried this on already, and I found that the one thing about these Mancera perfumes is that they're very oily. When you spray them on, you can see like your skin shimmers like long after. So the quality of this is pretty impressive. I like the fact that it kind of stays consistent throughout. It lasts about 6 hours. I keep thinking, okay, so where am I going to wear this? Because it's really kind of soft and light, and these are rather pricey. So, I'm thinking, would I actually, as the name imply, wear it on the holidays? And it's like, sure. I'm going to be hanging out on the beach, lazing around all day, drinking pina coladas. I don't know. It's very pleasant. But at this price point, I'm kind of like expecting a wow factor, and especially with all the hype, I'm not getting it. It's very soothing, and I like this one. I really do. This next one is supposed to be unisex, and it's none other than Instant Crush. This is a snap top. This is very fresh. Distinctly masculine to my nose. This has top notes of saffron and ginger, mandarin orange, bergamot. So it's very fresh and zesty on the opening. But then that amberwood takes over and I don't smell anything else. It's supposed to have florals in there. Rose, jasmine, patchouli, with a base of vanilla and sandalwood, white musk. But it does have a note in there amberwood. And the first time I smelled this, I just locked on to that particular note. And as it traveled up my nose, I was just like, I could feel the follicles just jumping and analyzing it like crazy, because I don't think I've ever smelled amberwood before, and it was intoxicating. Like, where am I gonna wear this? It's so inherently like, ooh, sophisticated, and it made me think professional. And if I was gonna wear this, I was gonna wear this like around men in a work environment where I wanted to throw them off guard, you know, and neutralize my femininity. If I wanted to make them stop thinking about me as a woman, but as an equal and one of them, this would throw them off, because they wouldn't be able to stop smelling this and going, oh my God, that's really good. I wish I had that, which is exactly what my husband did. He was like, what is that? I think it is an amazing scent for a man or woman who appreciates a masculine leading scent to wear in a professional setting. I think this is a great work scent. This next one is Wild Python. This one's a screw job. There's nothing wild about this at all. The name has absolutely nothing to do with the fragrance. It is so soft and so feminine and so light. It has top notes of tuberose, osmanthus, peach, bergamot, and it's actually supposed to be a dead ringer, everyone was saying, for Killian's Good Girl Gone Bad. They have similar notes. The mid in this has jasmine and orange blossom. There's patchouli, vanilla, white musk. I simply get light florals and a creaminess. And when it dies down, it's very floral, vanillic. It's got its own distinct signature. I do have Killian's Good Girl Gone Bad. On me, it was really light. I could barely smell it. I couldn't believe it, because this is really expensive. And for that much money, I'm expecting like it to last. So yeah, this is identical, except right out of the gate, the scent is present, it's there, it's consistent throughout its journey. This one is really pleasant. It's very soft and gentle. It's a light, beautiful, musky, vanilla, floral. Now, these three Mancera fragrances, were they worth the hype? I'm glad to have them, and I'm glad to have been introduced to the brand, but these are pricey. So I'm probably gonna have to get a discovery kit and work my way through it until I find the ones that are really for me. Do you have any Mancera perfumes? Are there any that you're interested in getting? And hey, if you like perfume reviews, you can always give me a thumbs up. Bye.